be familiar. This is a meltdown. And then if I turned it sideways, this would be a side plane meltdown. But then if well, that's why I want to teach it to you, because you haven't done it before. But then if I take the one hand, instead of just keeping them down at the waist, I alternate which one's going up top. This would be essentially a 2-petal side plane meltdown flower situation. And then you could do it in overhand as well. Well, it's basically the same thing, just an overhand. Your left hand. And then let's start with just this, where you're going behind the back in this figure 8. We're going underhand, and then it crosses to the other side, still underhand. And then if you can get it here to the other side, actually maybe showing you this way might be better. So it's on the away side, and then you can bring it home, but then you'll bring it to the away side up top above your head, and then you can bring it back home. And then away down low and bring it back home, and away up top and bring it back home. And then what you do is you take out the home position so that it's low, then you come around, and then high. Then you come around, then you low, then you come around, then you're high. Now, if you're struggling with that, it's just easier to go away, home, up, home, away, home, up, home, until you can eliminate the home beat and just go top to bottom to top to bottom. And then you'll notice that last one hit me on the side of the head. What I think is useful to aim more effectively so you don't hit yourself when it's coming up behind your back is, especially if you got some booty like I do, is to rotate your hip like this when your hand is crossing. So instead of trying to stand there like this, rotate your body like that so that you can slip it in there. And notice how much closer to my body it can be because I've turned my hip sideways to allow it to sort of fit in that slot next to my body. And then remember, when this one's up here, you're going to be doing the same thing here, right? So your head stays in the same place, but you're twisting to open up on your right side now, and then you're twisting here to open up on your left side so that your right hand can be down here doing this beat, right? What you can start with to get accustomed to that, getting behind the back with the opening of the hip, is just practicing doing this figure 8, which is also good practice for your behind the back weave, double duty, and twisting into it so that you're making space for the move to go to the other side. And then once you're feeling a little bit more comfortable with that and you're not like doing that, thwacking yourself, shoulder, neck, ear, whatever, then you can try and do away, home. Now twist to the other side and then do up top, away, then come back to neutral, home, then away, low, then home, then up top, twisting the other way, and then down, and then away, then home, up top, then down, then away, then home, then up top, then down, and then now from away, we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it around, go up top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it around, go down bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it around, go up top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it around, go down bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down low, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up top, 5, 6, 7, 8. And low, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down low, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Up top, and down low after this, 7, 8. And now from here, let's try and do it. So I'll count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll go up, then down, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then back down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then down, 5, 6, 7, 8. up, then down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 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 up, then down. Now, bring it up top, and we'll do the same thing starting from the top, where we'll go top, down, and then up top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, then up, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, then. So what I didn't do when I was doing the top down initially, I was turned like this, but that's not what you should be doing. You should be turned like this, and then flip, turned like this, then twist, and then twist back, so that you practice doing that twist the way it really would be, right? Because this is your Pilates here, and boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. Okay, using the right. Now we'll just do the same set of drills. So first of all, we're gonna start here, holding it there, just getting accustomed to that feeling, turning the hip, and then going home and away, and home and away, and home and away. 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, last 1. Okay, now we're here, come back home. Now twist the other way and bring it up top, and come back home, and away on bottom, twisting, and then home, neutral. Twist the other way up top, and then come down, neutral, and then away, then home, up top and twist the other way, and neutral, down, home, and away, home, up top, home, away, home, up top, home, away, home, up top, home, away. Now hold it here, away. Now what I want to try and do is eliminate the beat on the home side. So you go from down low to up high, and then from up top to down low. So 5, 6, 7, move it up top, and twist the other way, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, twist it back in and move it away. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up top, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist down low. 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go low. Now hold it here low. We're gonna do that thing where we go bottom, top, bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom, top, bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up and down, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist up, twist back down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist up and down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist up, then 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 down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up and down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then down. Now bring it up top and twist the other way, and then we're going to do the same thing We'll go down, then up, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist down, twist back up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist down, twist back up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist down, twist back up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist down, twist 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 up, and bring your hands down.